Hello, здравейте! Аз съм Елена и съм учител по български език. I'm Elena and I am teaching Bulgarian. Today I want to share with you a couple of idioms and phrases which we use in our everyday language. Those are idioms like how to say, for example, I don't care. 5 пари не давам. Again, I don't care. 5 пари не давам. Literally translated, it means like I'm not giving 5 money. 5 пари не давам. I don't care. I'm crazy about something. I'm really into something. Луд съм по. For example, I'm crazy about jazz, football, music, books, whatever it is. Луд съм по джаз, луд съм по футбол, луд съм по музика, луд съм по книги. I'm spending a whole day doing something. Стоя по цял ден пред компютъра. I'm standing the whole day in front of the computer. Стоя по цял ден пред компютъра. Or I'm spending hours on doing something. Стоя с часове да напиша този доклад. To write down this presentation. Also, when we want to say when we are really, really hungry, умирам от глад. Literally translated, it means I'm dying from hunger. Умирам от глад. We are using it to say we are really hungry. Or when we are really thirsty. Умирам от жажда. When we are really, really scared. Again. Умирам от страх. I'm spending lots of money on something. Харча луди пари за. For example, I'm spending lots of money for books. Харча луди пари за книги. Or I'm spending lots of money on clothes. Харча луди пари за дрехи. I hope you like this video. If so, follow me and subscribe. Also, now is the moment if you want to start learning Bulgarian. I have offers, really good offers for Black Friday, so you can start learning Bulgarian for as little as 40 euro per month. Get in touch and we'll discuss the details.